Welcome to working with React DevTools. After watching this video, you will be able to demonstrate how to work with React DevTool for React Native applications, inspect components, edit props and states, and view performance profiling. Ever wondered how to get a deeper look into your React apps while developing? Enter React DevTools, the go-to browser extension for real-time monitoring, debugging, and analyzing your applications. Whether you're building dynamic web apps or cross-platform mobile apps with React Native, React DevTools gives you complete visibility into your component tree, state changes, and much more instantly. Imagine you want to create a small application with two parent components named parent1.js and parent2.js. Here, parent1 will have children 11.js and children 12.js, where parent1 itself is a child of app.js. Similarly, parent2 will have children 21.js and children 22.js, where parent2 is a child of app.js. App.js renders parent1 and parent2 as children. The code creates a React component called parent1, which uses React's Context API to share a piece of state that is a shared data with its child components, children 11 and children 12. The context, myContext, is created using createContext and provides a way to pass shared data down the component tree without needing to pass props manually at each level. The parent1 component wraps its children inside the myContext.provider, allowing them to access the shared data value directly from the context. The children 11 component uses the useContext hook to access the data from myContext provided by the parent1 component. It then displays this data within a div. Similarly, children 12, children 21, and children 22 will try to access the data as children 11 are getting details. Here is the output for parent1 and parent2. Children 11 and children 12 can display the data they get from parent1. The children 21 and children 22 components will not show data coming from parent1 because both children are not in the hierarchy of the parent1 component. As a rule of context, the API hierarchy is a must when sending details to any other component. Let's check how to inspect components. Open the DevTool panel in the browser by clicking F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I. Navigate to the Components tab to view the React component tree. Click any component in the tree to see its props, state, and hooks in the right-hand pane. You can also edit the props and state in React Dev. Here is how. Select a component to view its props and state. Next, click a prop or state value to edit it inline and click Enter to update. Then, the changes are immediately reflected in the application, allowing you to test different scenarios instantly. To add a useState hook, type useState in the children 11 component. You can also display the user's name within div. Click Refresh to view the latest changes. The Dev tool will display details of the state hook in the right pane under the Hooks category. Next, let's explore how to view the performance profiling. Click the arrow to switch to the Profiler tab in the Dev tool. Select Profiler from the drop-down menu. If you included a button in the Children 21 component, you can display a quote when clicking it. Now, click Show Quote to view the time taken by this component. Click Record to start profiling. Now, click Stop to get the rendered duration details. Click Show Quote to view the action details. Hover over the Children 21 component to view the rendered details. You can also view the same details from the Profiler tab. The details will appear for that action. If you hover over parent1, it will display they'd not render text. This information helps you verify the code's flow. You can also use this information to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize slow components. Learning to work with the React Dev tool allows you to locate and resolve issues. This enhancement in the development process will provide greater performance and functionality. Incorporating React Dev tools into your toolset is a step towards improving React applications. In this video, you learned that React Dev Tools is the go-to browser extension for monitoring, debugging, and analyzing your applications in real time. You can build dynamic web apps or cross-platform mobile apps with React Native. React DevTools gives you complete visibility into your component tree, state changes, and much more. When you create a small application with one parent component, it will have two children, and the parent will be a child of app.js. And you can inspect components, edit and state the props in React and view the performance profiling.